Hello, Danette here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making 3 chocolate elixirs, but these are unlike any elixirs that you've tried because they're actually very healthy for you and they are so delicious. So I want to get started with you right away so that we can make these and you can share them at your next party or sit down in your own private of your own home and just enjoy, because these are so good for you and they taste so decadent. So the first one is a Cacao Bliss Mint Mocha Frappe. Oh my goodness, does that not sound absolutely delicious? Now this is so good for digestion, really keeping your immunity high, as well as just feeling so refreshing. So instead of going and buying that frappe that is actually not good for you, try whipping this up. It literally takes about 1 minute in your kitchen, and this is going to taste just as good, if not better, and be 10 times healthier for your body. So the main ingredients inside of this recipe is Cacao Bliss, which is a raw ceremonial grade cacao, which is loaded with antioxidants. It's loaded with focus and brain enhancing properties, as well as flavonoids that help with deeper connection, meditation, and immunity. This is what makes it so rich, so healthy for you, and so decadent. It's also loaded with 7 additional superfoods. So this is the key ingredient to this Cacao Bliss Mint Mocha Frappe. We're gonna add some ice. This is what's gonna make it that nice frappe texture. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of cold brew coffee. Now, if you do not want to put coffee in this, you could still make this and make this a non-coffee frappe. But you're gonna take a half a cup of cold brew coffee. We're gonna add in a little bit of coconut milk or almond milk, depending on what is your preference. We also are adding fresh mint. You're gonna blend this all together. It's gonna be so frappe, it's gonna be so delicious, and you could top with some coconut whipped cream. Serve this up. You're gonna absolutely love this. I wanna hear from you how you love this.